Sheldon Creed. Sheldon Creed moves into P3. Sheldon Creed bit to the outside there. As you see him, good battle with the number 6. Also, one of the teammates of the Safecraft safety equipment, that is Tyler McCrory. Tyler McCrory very fast. A few weeks ago in St. Petersburg. See if he can hang with the front of the pack, but right now, these guys are begging for that mandatory competition caution to come out so they can catch up to Matty Gravel. He's out in that UFD, United Fiber Data number 83. Check it out in the pass.
Oh yeah, he's gone in these runs.
He absolutely is. He is way